Decatur is built on the concept of community, and no restaurant illustrates this better than Wahoo. This favorite spot for fresh seafood has evolved by staying close with its customers. No wonder this warm and creative space hosts so many special events. Owner Pam Ledbetter has blended an inspired menu with a passion for treating her guests like family. Hi, I'm Mary Moore. I'm at Wahoo with Pam out on her fabulous back porch, and it's one of the most beautiful ones in Decatur.
Thank you, Mary. My vision was to create a space that was both beautiful and comfortable, where guests could feel comfortable in blue jeans or suit. So I started with my family, and my sister and I designed the space, and my brother-in-law helped build it. I was the contractor.
The patio and the garden in the back is just, it's unusual and eclectic. You have driftwood and beautiful urns.
I searched a variety of places, from old barns in outlying areas of Atlanta. I found a 150-year-old home in Midtown that was being demolished, and I purchased all of the brick and all of the beams. Yes, I wanted that old feel to it, as though Wahoo had been here forever.
What's your favorite dish on the menu?
To choose one, I would say our Charleston shrimp and grits. We use Georgia shrimp and local grits. We've had people come from Charleston and tell us that they swear our Charleston shrimp and grits is the best they've ever had. So we offer comfort foods such as our fried chicken and our shrimp and grits, but also more upscale seafood menu items such as the seared sea scallops or our sesame crusted tuna.
Delicious. You're here almost 10 years now, and I know you've learned a lot over those 10 years. What's your secret to success?
The key to our success is that we treat guests like they're in our home. My chef, Scott Davis, is incredible. He is accomplished and versatile. My husband, Ski, is passionate about wine and spirits. And my team and I focus on our relationships with the guests. Hospitality is less about a business and more about a feeling, and guests feel at home at Wahoo.
That's wonderful. And you're right, it is all about the feeling and the delicious food.
Yes.
Yeah. Pam, thank you so much. It's been great to spend the afternoon with you.
Thank you, Mary. I appreciate it.